Hi, wanna know how to find your lost earbud on your same Earbuds Pro 2nd? So, as a first step, we would need to open this application, name of which is Nothing X. And as a next step, go to this tab, which is named Settings, located in the right upper corner. As a next step here, we would need to find this tab, which is named Find My Earbuds, and open it. Here, as you can see, you got choice which earbud you would like to find, right or left. And now, for example, let's take this left earbud out to test it how it works. So I'll just hide this earbud and then turn on this sound, which is making some chimes so you can hear the location of your earbuds. So I'll click on this play button, and here you will get a volume warning that this chime may be really loud if you are wearing your earbuds. So let's click play. And this is it how the chime sounds. If you will be able to hear it, that means that your earbuds are near you and you need to just find them by the sound. You can do also the same thing with your right earbud. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.